siyang part 2 because I accidentally off my I don't know what's it's called, so yeah. I'm going to play the ocean later. Anyways, I have installed this again. Yeah, I uninstalled it or somehow. But I installed it back. Oh, is that a lion? Oh my gosh. 2 revives. Who's gonna get that? Yeah, who's gonna get that? But then I got the Jurassic Park. Yeah, accidentally. And let me see. I can let's go. Wait, can I go to the jungle now? What's this conversion? Enraged animal, wow! We just do it. Wait, let me just max this out real quick. Anyways, I'm using a hack. Okay, guys. That doubles my money somehow. Because this is kinda hard. Yeah, this is kinda hard. Look, I got the secret animal, which is Chef Lion. Look. Look this. It's 38 animals. Okay, I know where this at. It's at the jungle. Finally got the jungle. Finally got the new jungle. Now wait, before I go there, I must wait, let me just do the ocean zoo. Okay. New one, go. I got this crab when I didn't understand. I need to install that. I forgot. He throws super long. I cannot even control. Oh my god, I cannot even get this manta today. Never riding a crab. I upgraded. We just go to the jungle. Oh wait, I forgot. Wait. What's this? Wait, I can get something from here? Okay. I think I want refresh now. Simba. Bad camel. You bought 30 times? Okay. I know that. Anyway, sea lion. I think I'm going to go with see what this. I think I'll go with Emperor because this is just good. Nope. Let's go. I got the Emperor. Okay, now that we should go see what's more. Refresh this. Oh wait, I have this. Cyber Gamer. I think I'll get the okay, that's good. Okay, that is okay now. Okay, let me just I think like, wait, I'm out of money. You just buy something here. I think like buying the sea lion. No. Let's go, we got the sea lion. Okay, well that's done. Let me just go to the ano. Now wait. We just search and rescue that. Okay, this is me, so I'll just admit. Yes, I agree. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really need this crocodile. Wait. Try that before I get the wait. So I'll take this first. Oh no, the wild's coming. He's slowing down. Why is this? It's gonna get the Indian door. They know nextly I'm going to get wait, that's new. Oh wait, that is new. A goblin. No. I know if you go play this on 10 a.m. or 3 a.m. maybe, you will get a secret lion. I don't know if that's true, but I saw some videos. Encourages species! Oh, this is the first time I get an encouraged. Oh no, it's gonna eat me. Oh my god, I crashed. Oh my god, he just ate me. Nah, I don't want that. Damn, skeleton, let's go! I got a new encouraged. I know this. I already got this when I read it. Let's go get it. Oh. Let's try! Let's try! Let's do it. Maybe there's a bird here somewhere. Because I know that there is any. Because I know that if it's not raining, there's maybe a bird. I don't know. Because I saw in some videos that they capture birds without raining. Mine is raining. Yes, it's true. Dude, finding the skeleton. Oh, there it is! The skeleton is here. So, yeah, I got this. Oh, I got the skeleton. Yo, now I'll get the wild boar. So, yeah, I will special. Yeah. Okay, now let's see. Now the play. You know, I know I will get I forgot. Oh yeah, I forgot. The volcano, yeah. Which has dinosaurs in it. Oh my god, I think you guys them. Oh my gosh. I know these things in obstacles because I already played this and I just uninstalled it. show me. He's going to show me anyway. Oh wait, that's you. Just take it now. Oh my god, that is you. He just bited me. Going to be angry. Oh my gosh. Maybe this is actually not smart. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I knew it. Dude, how hard even is that? Oh wait, I know. First take a deep breath. And just nope. And firstly, just upgrade. Okay, wait a minute. Just max this out. No, I don't have plans yet. So it's time to get a hippo and a rhino. That's my plan. Okay, let me just ride this gorilla habitat. I don't know its habitat or habit because I didn't check it yet. Let's go, I can breathe. I need to do this twice. Because bro's angry at me. Oh my gosh. Backyard. See, let's go. I'm late at the quest. I haven't found a bird yet. I don't know why. Guys, comment down below how to find a bird. Because I can't even find a bird. Yeah. Because Indiana is actually raining. I ain't actually joking. Guys, it's true, I ain't joking. I'll show you later. My gosh. Oh my god, bro's angry at me. Maybe that's a new store. I know. This is a Western gorilla. I don't. Dude! Firstly, I know that a vulture is a I know a vulture is a oh wait. The enraged animal is a termigator. Oh wait, I already got that. That's the first time I get an enraged animal. Wow, dude. Okay. We just see if I can open again with this space thing. Wait a minute. He said purchase a map first. Oh wait, it needs 330. What? That's expensive. Oh man. Bruh. That's fine. Span. Wait, the breeding is done. Skip wait. I don't need breeding. Oh, I got the baby Western gorilla. Meron pa akong mga breeds. Kasi meron ng breeds eh. Dami ko mga breeds. Got the shallow. Wait a minute. Just do something real quick. Like this. Wait a minute. Let me just go see something. Wait, I see this one there. Am I lagging? Wait guys, am I lagging? Yeah, I'm lagging. It's okay. It's okay if I'm lagging. Yeah, I know. Just spell my name. Just kidding. I ain't going to. For those who knows your name. Yeah, you know it. Yeah. I'll do a name reveal if this gets so many subs. Yeah. What should I use this to find? Okay, let's play. Gonna throw me anyway. But that's okay, I got a boar. A boar. You go throw me. Your throw sucks. This gorilla's throws. Finally, a hippo. Oh yeah, I forgot. It goes faster than this command. That's okay. Cause bro, he will literally look what he'll do. He will literally kill me. Yeah. You see that? Oh my gosh. Gorilla. Told me to a new animal. wait, that's you. Oh, please, baby. Oh, I'm dead. Angler. Oh, nah, I don't like that. I think I will do 2 rocks. Yeah. Oh wait, do that ain't even a rock. What is a rock here? See that? That. Dude, I literally jumped on a rock. Maybe this. Oh, but I need to breathe in. Raise it. Yes! Oh, that's me. Oh, I'm dead. Am I? Oh, I'm dead. Okay. Oh, that's the match! It was the match I needed. Can't find the match. Oh, don't Tsunami, no. Literally playing right now. Oh, let's go. Oh, the match. Oh no! That's the oh. Bro, I didn't even get to. Let's just try again. Right, 6 gorillas. Okay, fine. Oh my god, both can eat me, but that ain't gonna happen. Five. The last one! Let's go! Okay. Nah, he ain't taking me. Oh wait, that's you! Oh, let me just die. Bruh! Shouldn't even get to find the new one. Oh, this is new. Okay, I know this is 8 days. Okay. Dude, go find mud! Find mud! It's gonna kill me! Oh, I'm dead. Another one. Finally, dude.